Capturing the energy with the carbon cap technology, our flue gas economizer, so the FGR system, basically economizes the wasted heat from the boilers. So if the boilers are operating at 85% efficiency, that means that there's 15% efficiency left on the table. Where is it being lost? Well, probably about 12% of it is being lost through the stack, 12% of the overall efficiency, and then a few more percentage through the venting material and through the body of the boiler. So the problem is we traditionally use stainless steel to capture that energy, and we go through these heat recovery devices that are only 3 to 5% effective. And what carbon cap did was we used an economizer that is 20 times more conductive than the traditional economizers, and we're able to maximize all that energy that we're capturing. So what do we do with the thermal energy, as you asked? We take that recovered energy and we use it to preheat the incoming cold water to the building. So if we've got some domestic water coming into the building at 50 degrees, we can often bump that to 100 degrees before it gets to the tanks just behind us. And that makes the boiler's job a lot easier, and that's the latent energy. And then we also take some of the sensible energy and we use that to preheat the boiler return. So as I mentioned earlier in our conversation before the podcast, the set points in a lot of these buildings is 150 odd degrees, and the return line will come back at about 130. So we often bump that by a delta T of 10. So we'll bring that up 10 extra degrees to make the boiler's life a little easier and obviously conserve some gas. So we're capturing the sensible and the latent heat energy with our economizer.